Imagine this. You sleep 8 hours, you open your eyes, you still feel tired, your mind feels slow, your body feels heavy. You think you need more sleep, but the real problem sits somewhere else. This happens to many students. You feel stuck in a loop. You sleep, you wake up tired, you repeat the cycle. Today you learn why this happens and what you can fix tonight. Here is the first truth that hits hard. You can sleep a long time and still get low-quality sleep. Your brain needs deep sleep to repair your body. It needs REM sleep to reset your focus and memory. If these stages get interrupted, you wake up tired no matter how many hours you spend in bed. Think about the last time you studied late for an exam. You closed your books at midnight. You scrolled your phone for 30 minutes. You slept with thoughts running in the background. You woke up, looked at the clock, and felt like you rested only 2 hours. That is not a coincidence. Here is the first cliffhanger. Most students ruin their sleep without knowing it. Step 1. Fix your pre-sleep habits. Your brain does not switch off fast when you look at bright screens. Your phone keeps your mind in alert mode. That alert mode delays deep sleep. Set a simple rule for tonight. No phone 30 minutes before bed. Replace it with something quiet, stretching, slow breathing, light reading. Your brain needs a signal that the day is ending. Step 2. Reset your wake-up timing. Many students sleep at random hours. Your brain cannot predict when to release melatonin. You sleep, but your sleep stages stay messy. Pick one wake-up time. Keep it the same every day. Your brain builds a rhythm around it. This rhythm makes your sleep deeper without extra effort. Here comes another cliffhanger. The strongest sleep improvement often comes from your morning, not your night. Step 3. Get morning light as soon as you wake up. Real light hits your eyes and resets your internal clock. You wake up faster, you sleep earlier, you get more deep sleep. A study showed that 10 minutes of morning light can shift your whole rhythm in 7 days. Try standing near a window for a few minutes. It sounds small. It works. Step 4. Watch your energy crashes. If you push through burnout every day, you wake up tired even with good sleep. Your brain fights constant pressure. Many students chase productivity from morning till night. No breaks, no pauses. Then they wonder why they feel tired. Add 2 short breaks during your study blocks. Your brain recovers faster during sleep when it does not carry heavy stress into the night. Step 5. Control your evening stimulants. Tea, coffee, energy drinks. These stay in your system for hours. Many students drink tea at 7 p.m., then stay awake until midnight. They fall asleep but still wake up tired. Stop all stimulants 8 hours before bed. Your sleep depth improves and you wake up fresher. Here's another cliffhanger. You might think your phone helps you relax. It does the opposite. Step 6. Remove late-night scrolling. Short videos and fast content keep your brain in constant motion. You feel relaxed, but your brain stays active. When you sleep in that state, your mind keeps running in the background. You wake up tired, charge your phone away from your bed, use an alarm clock if needed. This one change fixes a lot of morning fatigue. Step 7. Create a 2-minute night routine. You do not need a complex ritual. You need consistency. Try this. Wash your face, drink a little water, review your plan for tomorrow, turn off your lights. Small routines help your brain settle. Step 8. Keep your room simple. A messy room makes your brain alert. A dark and quiet room puts your brain into rest mode. Use a dim light before sleep. Keep your room cool. These small changes raise your deep sleep without extra work. Here is the final cliffhanger. You can wake up fresh within 3 days if you fix only the key blockers. Now let us bring it together. You wake up tired because your sleep quality stays low. You scroll late. You sleep at random hours. You take stimulants too late. You keep stress in your head until the moment you close your eyes. You can change this tonight. Set one wake-up time. Avoid screens 30 minutes before bed. Get morning light. Use a simple night routine. Keep your room calm and dark. Try this tonight. You will feel the shift within a few days. You deserve clear mornings. You deserve real rest. Let us build this together.